how many seconds will be required of you to solve this question, provided that you have to show all your steps? I am going to start the challenge. I'm going to use my phone stopwatch, okay? So let's see how fast I am. The time starts now. So I have 36 seconds, 3 milliseconds. Let me just approximate to 35 seconds. I'm the one that starts the stopwatch, and that might take a little additional time. You understand? So that is it. Now I want to do something now. You to solve this question, show all your steps, then drop the time it requires of you. This one now, we are testing speed. Are you getting it? Not only knowledge. Ability to pen down your solution with respect to the time frame that is allotted to you in exam. That is what we are testing now. So it takes me approximately 35 seconds to solve this question, showing all my steps. Now I want to do the same thing. You may not do it now. Just at your leisure time, just pick a sheet of paper and then solve the question. You can drop the photos, you can send the solution to me. Thank you very much for being part of this channel. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Also, do not forget to share this particular video to your friend. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.